Gas testing is another non-invasive way that we can check if a unit is cross-flowing. We start by pressurizing the unit, checking that the connections are not leaking before we start checking for cross-flow. This is also a good way to check units that have oil in them that we cannot do a water pressure test on. Once we've confirmed the connections are solid, we inspect the inside of the unit for any cross-flow indicators. The light on the end of the sniffer will flash repeatedly if it's picking up any trace gases. There is also a visual indicator to indicate how intense the detection is.
Thanks for watching. We hope this guide has been informative and helpful. And for more information or to schedule an inspection, please contact us via our website www.incor.com.au or give us a call at 03 9800 4118.